Some of the best diving in the world is in the Tuamotus, and Fakarava was no exception. Hundreds of sharks, if not more, patrol the atolls, and it makes for an amazing diving experience. All right, we are here at the Fakarava Diving Center. Vincent is the man here.
Hello.
So tell us a little bit about your operation and how long it's been going on and what we're doing today.
Yes, I've been living here for 17 years. Living here for a long time still. I was working many years on a liveaboard, and now I'm based here for like 10 years and having my own dive shop. And
yeah,
really good.
It's some of the best diving in the world here, they say?
Yes, not so bad, especially on sharks, and
okay.
we have nice feeling on drift also, drifting in the canyon, so you have more.
Is that what we're doing today? We're going to do some drift diving? All right, well.
That's what we do.
It's impressive how many sharks patrol the area between the deep water ocean and the shallow atoll. It was one of our deepest dives yet, down to about 100 feet as we descended to the bottom of the pass to watch for sharks. There was a lot of current, so basically you just hold on to the bottom and let the sharks swim by you. It felt like flying as we drifted through the canyons. We thought we saw a lot of sharks on this dive, but wait till you see the next dive. How was your dive, Laura?
It was good. More sharks than I've ever seen.
Were you scared at all?
Well, we just dropped into a school of sharks, so it's kind of like, oh, like right now? Right now.
Awesome. It's absolutely outstanding. I'm going to be spoiled on diving anywhere else now.
Yeah, basically
Unfortunately.
You're ruined for future
I'm going to be
dives.
ruined on future dives.
Yeah, that was really good. The visibility was really good. That's
Really,
the best visibility we've had in a while.
The drift dive was fun, and I mean, this is like volcanic, so did you feel the heat vents?
Yeah.
As
Oh,
you
is
went
that what
over
that
them?
was?
Yeah, that's what that was.
See it,
Oh, wow.
Yeah, in the
Yeah.
water.
Yeah, you could, it was like kind of like gasoline, you see the...
Yeah.
Cool.
Super cool.
All right, well, let's load up the dinghy and go get some beer and lunch.
Yeah, beer time.
In the last episode, we were having water problems, and they still continued. We just couldn't get the system to pressurize. It was pretty frustrating not being able to source the problem. Alright, so after everything, we've been trying to troubleshoot this water system forever. What happened is this valve right here, it was not closing all the way, so it was letting air into the whole system, so it was trying to suck water through to go the rest of everything, and it was just pulling air out of this tank. So we've isolated the problem. We're basically, number one, tank leaks, so we're going to, this valve, we're going to move down here and just replace it, and we should be good to go. We're here again with the Fakarava Dive Center, Vincent.
Yep.
And we're going, he's taking us down to the South Pass here today, so.
It'll be an amazing day.
Is it?
Nice weather and beach dive.
Okay.
Many sharks.
Many sharks, more than yesterday?
Yes.
Okay.
It was pretty amazing being surrounded by hundreds of sharks.
So how was the dive?
Super good.
Yeah, it was really cool. There's a lot of sharks. It was really cool.
More and more sharks.
More sharks every dive. I don't know.
I kind of like creeping out in that little cave there.
Yeah.
Peeking on them, yeah.
Now we're coming here to hang out in this little spot.
Pink sand.
Pink sand beach and all that. We're gonna have lunch out here. This is a pretty good little spot for it.
Look at the lagoons. I think I stepped on a sea cucumber. It was squishy. It hurt. I don't want to. You want to touch it?
No.
You want to put it in your pants? I accidentally stepped on one and it was like a turn. Ew, spicy cucumber. I hope that's what it is.
The boat captain had a special treat for us and took us to his family's house for lunch.
Keep it. No, I know. Got a new friend. No, Laura.
It'll fit in my purse. Yes, Bobby. This is my favorite one. Can I have this one? It's so straight. It matches my outfit.
Well, it was a fun day at diving. We even have cake. Yeah, so.
We lived to tell the story.
Yeah.
We're surrounded by sharks.
Yeah, Vincent down there. Good. Thank you for taking us out today. And it's.
Thanks for sharks being there.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. And it's the Fakarava Diving Center.
Yes, sir.
Fakarava Diving Center. And then we'll put a link to his website and email down in the show notes if you'd like to come diving here in Fakarava. Definitely worth it.
Best in town.
Do
Yeah. I mean, that's some of the best. Well, I've only got like 20-something dives now, but that was the best one yet.
Oh yeah. More sharks.
This video channel is funded by viewers like you, and we couldn't do it without your support.